Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Nokia device to LG K41S. First of all, go into Play Store on both devices, tap on the search bars and type in Send Anywhere. Then you need to install this app from this developer and open it. Over here, select I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then do exactly the same on LG. So I accept, confirm, continue, allow. Now you need to select Send on Nokia and Receive on LG. Following that, tap on all of those dots and select Send. This way you will choose all of those files and transfer them later on. It will take a long time, so I will go with only one file, like that photo. Just send and tap on Get It. As you can see from here, we have two ways to connect. We can input this key here and tap on Receive or scan QR code. If you want to scan it, tap on this scanning icon on LG, then choose Allow in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. After that, wait a bit. And as you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!